Today, we will talk about how to start a cleaning business from scratch. Let's have a look at the details. Are you thinking about starting a cleaning business? There's great potential in cleaning services, whether you want to work in people's homes or on a commercial level. Starting a cleaning business is like starting any small business. You'll need a solid business plan and a good marketing strategy to help you succeed. The first step is business design. Decide to be a commercial or consumer-driven business. When you start your cleaning business, you can choose between offering services primarily for commercial spaces or residential spaces. The clients you choose to cater to will determine what type of equipment you'll need, how much you'll charge, and the nature of the cleaning services. Figure out what services you want to offer. Not every cleaning service is all-purpose. Some businesses specialize in one type of cleaning. When you're deciding what services to offer, think about what your abilities are and what niche you can fill in your community. Here are a few types of services you could consider offering. Carpet cleaning or floor waxing services. Window washing services. Janitorial services. Private residence maid services. Organic cleaning services. Consider opening a franchise or running your own business. If you're concerned about stability, operating as part of a franchise might be the way to go. This gives you the security that comes with operating under a known brand that has already experienced a level of success. If you start your own business, it's up to you to build trust with clients, but you'll have a much higher level of flexibility. Choose a location. Your business has to operate out of a space, whether that's a room in your house or a commercial space you decide to lease. Now, the second step is official establishment. Pick a name. You'll want something that sounds both professional and catchy. Make it both unique and search engine friendly so that your business will pop up when people are searching for the services you're providing. Get your business set up. You'll need to register your business by filling out forms at the Register of Deeds office. If you're hiring employees, get an employer identification number (EIN) and fill out the proper tax forms. Get liability insurance. It's necessary to insure your business in case you accidentally cause damage to a client's home. Talk to a legitimate and well-respected insurance company about covering your business activities for a price that fits into your startup budget. Obtain startup capital. Because a cleaning business is a business based on physical services on site at client properties, there are some fundamental things that you will need in order to start this kind of enterprise. The third step is setup and logistics. Get your equipment ready. Depending on what services you're offering, you'll need to purchase equipment such as floor cleaning supplies, trash bags, an industrial vacuum cleaner, and so on to set up your business. Get heavy-duty equipment that will be able to endure a lot of wear and tear and last for many years. Buy a company vehicle. You'll need a car, truck, or van for transportation to and from your cleaning jobs. You may be able to use vehicles from an employer or other source, but if not, you'll need to lease or buy your own business vehicle. Hire or subcontract workers as needed. Cleaning services may start up as sole proprietorships, where the owner/operator actually does all of the work, because cleaning doesn't have to require many sets of hands. Create a pricing structure. Taking into account the cost of labor, materials, and overhead, figure out how much to charge for your services you'll be making a profit. Set up an accounting system. You'll need to keep track of what your clients owe by sending them invoices that lay out requirements for payment. Make sure you're also accounting for business expenses, tax expenses, and all other expenses your business has. And the last part is customer outreach. Promote your business. You'll want to reach out to prospective clients in any way possible to build a beginning roster of customers for your cleaning service. Be trustworthy. As you begin working for clients, it's extremely important to do your job well and respect your client's space. Any sign that personal property has been tampered with, damage has been caused and gone unreported, or something has been stolen can ruin your reputation as a cleaning business. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.